Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. If you like to save money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So this week I've got a shoe that needs to be repaired. So now this video isn't sponsored, but I do have a product that I like and I want to share it with you. It's Shoe GOO, and you can use this to re-glue soles that have come off of shoes. So as you can see, this is the other boot. This is the one that's coming apart. And if you look closely, you can see the glue right here. So I did re-glue this one previously, several months ago, maybe a year or two ago, and that's still holding really well. We want to try to achieve the same end result with this one. So let's give it a try. Alright, so I've used this Shoe GOO before. This was a fairly new package. I did just open it up the other night. It comes in two different types. This is the black Shoe GOO, and the last time I had clear Shoe GOO, which is what I used on this one. So you can see how that turned out. I was going to try and use the black and see how it works here. So when you first open it, it does have this little pointy part on the cap. So when you first open it, it has a metal seal across here, so you can just turn the cap over and use the pointy part to puncture the seal. And we're just going to apply it fairly liberally around the edge. I'm trying to do this so that you can see and I'm not going to make a mess. Alright. So I'm not going to be able to get in there kind of all the way to the back like I would like to, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a nail to spread it around. You could use something disposable like a toothpick, would also work. Yeah. Alright, so let's see, I'm going to put the cap back on. Alright. And I just have a nail here, and I'm just going to use that to kind of, I want to smear it forward up this way so that it gets up as close as I can to where it's starting to come apart. I'm going to do the same on this side, just kind of squeezing it right up here. Wow, this side actually goes up a lot farther than I thought. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more in there. Alright. Alright, so let's see. I use this nail to spread that up again. Go way up here where it's splitting. Alright. I think we're looking pretty good. Alright. Now we're gonna, yeah. That looks pretty good. Got pretty good coverage going all the way around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of paper, newspaper or something, and I'm going to tuck it inside here, and then I'm going to put some weight on this to kind of keep this pressed down. And then we have to let it dry. It says at least 24 hours. It could be as much as 48 or 72 hours depending on the materials and the temperature. So, but we're going to put some weight on it, and then we're going to come back and check on it tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day, and I can take the paper out of the shoe. I just put that in there to help distribute the weight, because I would put this large dowel in, and just to spread out the pressure a little bit more evenly. Alright, so you can see this is good and secure. I'm probably going to let it cure for another day or two before we put it back into service, just to make sure that it's ready. Again, Shoe GOO is not a sponsor. It's just a product that I've had good success with. I will put links to it in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.